Welcome to the A Creative channel, where we like to invest in creating cool things. So here we have a piece I did a while back with Scott Eaton's Anatomy course. So in my last video I was explaining that I'm working on a few new sculpts to do with directly with the creative investments, business I'm starting up, as well as some of the old sculpts that I'm going to be working on and bringing back to 3D print them. So two reasons. I really want to be able to see my work in real life through the 3D printer, and the second one is to really upgrade my skills in the resin 3D printing, and also test all the different resins out. So I put those two together practically. So I'm going to be testing a whole bunch of different resins. I've already tried Frozen's aqua resins. Great, love working with them. Super easy to work with. Tried some of the frozen wax resins. Not too impressed. Uh, you know, Anyway, I think there's a bit of tweaking there. I'm going to order some more, and I've got some now. E-Sun Eco resins coming because I tried out their water-based resin and it was great as well. So this is the process of bringing some old sculpts back in, upgrading my skills in 3D printing, and testing those resins out at the same time, finding what I like and what I'm going to like to use in future prints, and what's going to be working for casting and so forth. So this is like one of the first, really great sculpts I did in Zbrush. Super pleased with how he turned out, and my anatomy process, it really taught me a lot about anatomy, and it's helped me in my process as growing as an artist, and also growing as an artist in digital format as well. So yeah, this is practically just some rendered images of the 3D sculpt. This is the cool thing about 3D. So this is a turntable here, and you can see fully around on the 3D. So his hair was done using Z fibers, and that was a tricky thing to bring out of ZBrush and get it ready for 3D printing. So it took a little bit of mucking around with that to make it work, but it was definitely worth it because of the details that came out of it. So this is the FDM print, Shapeways, and one here was my first FDM printer print on a Dremel. This is like early stages of 3D printing and desktop 3D printers. So 6, 7, 8 years ago. I don't know, so long ago now, but I didn't bother cleaning them up. Overall, I was kind of happy with the piece, but it wasn't worth really cleaning him up, I didn't think. I still have this little piece here. It's a great reminder, and I compare him with the actual resin print, and they're uncomparable in many regards. So so anyway, sit back, enjoy the resin lapse, and I will either see you at the end of this or on another video. So thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe and like button. It will help me great in proceeding further. Thank you.